not super earlier. It's 7 in the morning and no people outside. Really just saw for last 20 minutes and I saw just one person and 3 cars. Yeah, it is what it is. It's end of the world in Texas. So if you want to ask me how cold is it, it is cold. I definitely understand that for Chicago or Wisconsin, it's not like bad joke that it's end of the world, but Texans are not ready for anything like that. So yeah, it's a problem here. And yeah, main problem is not about snow, it's about icy roads. And yeah, no one has like winter tires or anything like that, so it's quite dangerous. Yesterday it was raining all day long, and today we have icy roads, icy benches, icy stairs. So yeah, it is what it is. In theory, today I have a long run, but in reality it will be middle easy run. Yeah, because I wanna take pictures, shoot some videos, and yeah, it's not often here, so I wanna save those memories. Back to reality. It's a week since half marathon in Austin. So this week I had to skip a few runs because of being in my right foot. I have no idea why, but yeah. But it's fine. I feel good. Yeah, right now it's a question how I can do my workouts next week, because next week the whole week gonna be like this. But we have enough time after that. So yeah.